Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're going to embark on a thrilling journey where I'll share with you how I went from a complete newbie to a pro trader, earning a staggering $1,000 in Usdt on the Bingx cryptocurrency exchange in just 1 month. Get ready to be amazed and inspired as we dive deep into the world of crypto trading. Before we begin, I want to extend a warm welcome to all the fans of the Bingx exchange. If you're new to Bingx or just curious about it, don't forget to use the referral code 911 when signing up. This code will not only grant you access to exclusive perks, but also help support this channel. Now, let's rewind the clock to a month ago when I was just a crypto novice, eager to learn and explore the exciting realm of digital currencies. Like many others, I was fascinated by the potential of cryptocurrencies, but overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information and the steep learning curve. It was during this time that I stumbled upon Bingx, a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange that instantly caught my attention. What initially drew me to Bingx was its intuitive interface and the abundance of educational resources it offered. As a beginner, I found their comprehensive guides and video tutorials to be invaluable assets, helping me grasp the fundamental concepts of crypto trading with ease. Armed with newfound knowledge, I took the plunge and opened an account on Bingx, following their seamless registration process. From the moment I logged in, I was amazed by the platform's user-friendly design, which made navigating through different trading features a breeze. One aspect of Bingx that truly impressed me was its commitment to security. With industry-leading security measures in place, including cold storage for digital assets and advanced encryption protocols, I felt confident in trusting my funds to this exchange. But that's not all. Bingx offers a wide range of trading options, catering to both novice and experienced traders. For someone like me, who was just starting out, the spot trading feature was an absolute game changer. It allowed me to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly without the complexities of margin trading or derivatives. As I gained more confidence, I ventured into the world of copy trading, a unique feature offered by Bingx. This innovative tool enabled me to follow and automatically replicate the trades of successful traders, providing me with a shortcut to potential profit while learning from the experts. Another standout feature of Bingx is its social trading platform, where users can interact, share insights, and learn from a vibrant community of crypto enthusiasts. This platform was an invaluable resource for me, as I could tap into the collective wisdom of experienced traders and stay updated on the latest market trends and developments. But what truly set Bingx apart was its commitment to education and empowering its users. The exchange offers a wealth of educational resources, including webinars, video tutorials, and in-depth articles covering various aspects of crypto trading. I diligently consumed this content, honing my skills and gaining a deeper understanding of market analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. As the weeks progressed, my confidence grew and I started to implement the strategies I had learned. I diversified my portfolio, experimented with different trading techniques, and most importantly, managed my risk effectively. And the results? Well, they speak for themselves. In just 1 month, I managed to earn an impressive $1,000 in Usdt. Looking back, I can hardly believe the transformation I've undergone, from a complete newbie to a proficient trader, all thanks to the supportive ecosystem provided by Bingx. The journey was not without its challenges, but the exchange's user-friendly interface, educational resources, and innovative features made the learning curve much smoother than I had anticipated. If you're someone who has been hesitant to dive into the world of crypto trading, let my story be an inspiration. With the right platform, dedication, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve remarkable success. And what better place to start than Bingx, an exchange that truly prioritizes its users' success and empowerment. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up on Bingx today using the referral code 911 and embark on your own crypto trading journey. Who knows, you might just be the next success story we'll be celebrating. The world of cryptocurrencies is ever-evolving, and staying informed and educated is key to navigating this exciting landscape. Bingx has proven to be a valuable companion on this journey, offering a comprehensive ecosystem that supports traders at every level. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure. Until next time, happy trading, and may your crypto endeavors be as rewarding as mine. For more information, feel free to check out the links in the video description or visit the Bingx website directly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's continue to explore the world of cryptocurrencies.